What is going on, y'all? We are about to see chaos. This, all around me, is chaos. We have all of that pulled out from the walls. As y'all saw in the other video, we've just got craziness going on everywhere. Everything's disorganized. Haven't been able to even shoot my bow in here because it's just madness. But that is all about to change. Let me show you what I mean. Check this out. We have a whole bunch of rubber mats. So we're gonna put the rubber mats all over the entire floor in there. Now, before we can put all the rubber mats down here, we obviously have to clean up all of that. And before we can do that, I've got to go through all the rubber mats that are already down and just make sure that there's no gaps closing up. I want to make sure that all those gaps are as tight as can be. So I'm going to have to move all these weights, tighten up all of this rubber, then bring all of this stuff over here, and then clean that floor, and then put all the rubber mats down. So it's going to be quite the project. Alright, y'all, so we got all of the building cleared out. We got to sweep that out now. Still have to make sure that the mats are all lined up. But all of that is cleared out. Crystal walked out. She's like, wow, what'd you do with all of it? You cleaned it up real quick. I'm like, yeah. And then she walked outside, and here we go. So we got like a garage sale looking action going on here, but it's only temporary. Alright, y'all, it's not quite done, but it's getting pretty close. Let me show you what we got so far. So we have to get the strips cut out for against the wall here, but all of the rubber mats in this portion are down, so stoked about that. I cut out the strip for against that wall too. We moved all these racks over here to kind of separate the gym, and this is just temporary, but we put like a black curtain up there to kind of black this out. We're gonna find a more permanent solution that actually goes to the ceiling and drapes down. So we got the gym more or less separated, kind of its own thing right now. So again, not quite done yet, but getting, come on, focus. Again, not quite done yet, but we're getting closer, so I feel good to have all these rubber mats down. This was like my cardio for the day for sure. Alright, so we're taking a little intermission from all of the work out there. My cousin Corey came to check in on us. Got the keto brick shirt.
That's right.
We got the meat brick shindig going on. That's not all my meat, but I'm gonna eat a pretty good portion of it. You excited, babe?
Super excited.
She's got broccoli, but I'm not gonna be eating broccoli. Alright, y'all, it's actually the next day. We called it quits after we got all those rubber mats down last night. Crystal and I are gonna head to my uncle's warehouse, pick up some more ingredients, run by the post office, drop off some more keto bricks. It's gonna be a good day. We just got done killing a heavy leg day. Went hard, went heavy, went ham. I'm trying to get Crystal pretty self-sufficient in how to use the forklift and whatnot. So I'm not even gonna load up the pallet. I'm gonna let Crystal try and use the forklift. So we'll see if she knocks a hole in the van. Alright, Crystal, you ready for this?
This is forward and reverse.
Okay.
This is up and down.
We got instructions by my papa right here.
Okay. They did not look like a car.
Here from the back.
Alright, this is the scary part where she puts that in the van
That door a little bit?
without wrecking it. Yeah, just like put it top right.
Huh?
Top right.
Top right. Oh.
Yeah.
gotta do this one because we're doing a double load. I was too afraid. We need to push one in with the other load.
Did pretty good, baby. I'm proud of you.
I am the master, what's it called?
Forklift driver?
Forklift driver, master.
You did pretty good.
Don't people actually take classes for that?
Yeah, you learned how to do it on the fly.
Yep, perfect.
All right, y'all, so today's been just kind of crazy. Man, this wide angle lens makes me look small. Don't like that at all. Let's zoom in a little bit. Can't be looking small on camera. Anyways, so we got all those mats down the other day. This vlog is taking up 2 days. I was hoping to get all the metal for the siding in today. I think it is delivered. Let me see. What's going on, man? How are you? This is Robert.
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm good, man. I just called to see if that was in or not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Alright, well just give me a jingle.
I will.
Appreciate you, man.
Bye, buddy.
Bye. Alright, so it is not in yet, as you have heard, which sucks because it was supposed to come in Friday. By the way, I apologize for saying sucks just then. One of my viewers emailed me and said that their kids are not allowed to say sucks, and here I am saying it on the vlog, so I'm sorry, kids. Anyways, I was hoping that was coming in so we could put it up today, but it's not in yet, so I'm not going to put that up today. Rather than making this a 3-day video, I'm going to close it somehow or another today, but I'm going to find some more value to add in some form of fashion. I'm about to eat a keto brick. So far, the 2 pounds and a brick is going well. I feel great. I feel energized. I feel like I don't have to think about food at all. I've been pretty much sticking with the 75-25 ground beef and a ribeye steak every day. I did have chicken wings on Saturday, but had a pound of those, but for the most part it's just the steaks and the ground beef and the bricks. This is a flavor that y'all have not had yet, and we're going to be launching this. Y'all have had something close to it, not the cookies and cream, but we're going to be launching this one at some point later this month, so get ready for that. But this one is very good as well. In other news, I'll talk to you soon. Alright, this room is almost together. I don't know if this was up in the last clip, but we've got all of our whiteboards up against the wall right now, so I'm super excited about that. I'm not really digging this rack. I love these racks in here, but it's just too big, too bulky. So, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and find like a big bookshelf, big bookcase thing, and then swap that out, put the rack in the warehouse space, and then have 2 more whiteboards on each side of the bookcase. So we're gonna go to the furniture store right now and see if I can find that. That will make this room much more complete. Oh, and one more thing. It's coming in tomorrow, and I ordered it 2 days ago. It's coming in tomorrow, but I've got a huge wall calendar that goes down the whole length of this wall, and it's gonna be all 12 months of the year, so I'm very, very, very excited about that. Alright, y'all, so we're about to go to the furniture store, but then Crystal locked us out of the warehouse without our keys. I asked her before we left the building, like, you got your keys? And she's like, yeah, I got my keys. And then we're waiting at the van, I'm like, unlock it, and she's like, I don't have my keys. So here I am waiting, and she's like, oh, I have keys, but not on me. Like, what the hell? And we're all worried about what we're gonna do. We call the landlord, they're gonna come after dinner and let us in. And then Crystal's like, I'm gonna break in. I'm like, you can't break in, there's a safety lock on there. I probably shouldn't be telling this on camera because now people can just break in.
We're gonna get it fixed.
We're gonna get that fixed, but she broke into our warehouse, and now we're gonna go. And now
I'm a boss because I totally proved Robert wrong.
She's bragging. She's bragging. All right, y'all, we are at home right now. We're gonna go see. We're not at home. We are at home.
There's a sign right behind your head.
We're at home to get some shelves. All right, we're going with the industrial wood and metal shelf here. So this is what she looks like.
Oh.
So we'll see if
Sideways.
it's worth a darn when we get it set up.
Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work.
Alright, y'all, here we are at Lowe's. We're gonna get those 2 whiteboards and get those set up. You excited, babe?
I'm super excited. It's gonna look so good.
Not gonna lie, I've been spending so much time at home improvement stores lately, it's crazy. Alright, for those of y'all that want a whiteboard, come to Lowe's and get one of these for $10.47. Cheapest whiteboard you'll ever get.
Also, they have these super long ones, isn't it down here? Also, we have these little tiny ones for 10 bucks. Or you can come down here and get one of these bad boys, which we have one in Robert's office, and that one's only $13.98. Saving money, y'all.
Alright, check this out, y'all. Much, much better. We have both the whiteboards up and the bookshelf in the middle, and it just looks much cleaner. I am a fan of organization. Now, I believe my coals are ready. I'm gonna throw a steak on the grill. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at that. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about. Boom, the steak is done and I'm about ready to dig in. Now, let's get real here for a second. Why in the world, why is this lighting so janky? Why in the world is this vlog all about cleaning up the warehouse, putting up whiteboards, putting up a big calendar? What value does this have for you? Good question. Well, truthfully, I don't really know. I mean, big picture, it's like just get clean, get organized, get ready for the new year. A lot of people start New Year's with like this resolution mindset, and I've never been one for resolutions. I like themes. I try to make a theme each year. That's why I've got like the manifesto. Each of my manifesto videos talks about a specific theme. The theme for this year is back to basics, by the way, in case you had not seen that manifesto video. But I do love getting just like super ultra organized. Everything I don't use, I get rid of, I give away. All my clothes, I get rid of, give away. All the stuff in my life that I don't, you know, get value from, I just give it away. I want to wipe the slate clean and start fresh. So that's kind of what I've been doing the last couple weeks of December, the first week of January. I've got my whiteboards on the wall. I'm gonna get my year-long calendar on the wall. I'm just gonna be so hyper sensitive to like detail, and like everything will have a place, everything will be organized, and that will just free my mind of all the clutter so that I'm incredibly more productive and efficient in my day-to-day task, which is gonna make me a better businessman, a better leader, a better employer, a better person. So that said, that's what we got going on. By the way, I got a call back from my metal roofing guy, and he said that all of my siding is in now, so I'm gonna pick that up in the morning, and hopefully we'll get the gym walls up tomorrow. So that's all I've got to say about today. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Love y'all.